This was so simple. All I used was this barber thing and this. You can get it to seal packets. So I've just used that, simple. I've got another one with teeth which is meant to be properly for hair, but this one I thought I'll try this, it's simple. And all I did, clipped everything back, clipped it in, cut it. Then I wanted layers at the back, so because of that I picked everything up, clipped it. It depends on how high or low as to what kind of layers you get. You just experiment, you've got nothing to lose. And that's it, so simple. Straight across and one like that and it's all done. It's good to experiment, try things, cost nothing once you've got the equipment. That, clip, scissors, you're done. Cut your own hair, easy.